I'm Shrey. I'm the CEO of Mesmerize, and Mesmerize is basically a jewelry brand. We offer men's, women's jewelry, and we also have like really interesting natural stone bracelets that we offer. And we just launched the Max Snap 2. We were facing a lot of issues in terms of unifying the experience of basically retention marketing, whether that's customer support or whether that is outbound marketing that we do through WhatsApp or emails. So that's something that Big came and helped us sort of tie together in one sort of wholesome experience that we can track and manage very easily. We've seen month over month sort of share of Big going up, and Big actually contributing very trackably a certain amount of our sales that we were getting before, and I would say that one of the biggest positive impacts is that we have enough tools on Big to sort of be able to track and monitor and actually see the value that we're getting onto our business. And it's not just it's not inaccurate, like Big tries to be accurate about it rather than trying to over attribute, which also gets proved by the point that you guys added an attribution window where you can actually sort of customize it, reduce it, which would technically show us numbers on Big but would be more accurate. We've largely had a positive experience through and through with Big. We didn't feel like the team lost interest after the sale was made or after we started using Big. Support has been very good. All in all, there are dedicated different people across the team that we are directly in touch with to get different things done across the product. A lot of tech upgrades have also been done according to our feedback and our direct involvement, which we're very happy with. And the team is very easy to reach and easy to talk to. So that's been very, very satisfying from our end. The fact, number one, has to be the fact that it's one of the only few softwares that actually gives customer support, marketing, and overall data management all in one tool, and across multiple channels of like email and WhatsApp, which is the basic ones that we need, as well as Instagram. Very importantly, Instagram. Additionally, I would say the second feature is obviously the flow support, which I have not seen anyone build as well as I've seen on Big. We used to use ManyChat before, and that's globally the leader in making journeys basically. And I think Big has sort of reached a very, very similar level and is offering WhatsApp and emails and Instagram in journeys, which is quite great. And you want one more, right? Third would have to be the attribution and tracking. I still see a lot of scope of improvement in that one, where you can provide more metrics that are more cost related, and we can make more thoughtful decisions based on that. But other than that, it's still pretty good, I would say, compared to other things that are there in the market. We recommend Big to a lot of people. We recommend it on the forum also. You might have even gotten customers because of us somewhere or the other. Two brands, Capes and Mesmerize, both are on Big, and they're on Big for it.